Hello and welcome. Um, in this video, we'll learn how to solve percentage questions by deducing informations from a table. Okay, so this is a table that shows the performance of 4 students in an SAT practice test. All right, the table below shows the Start Math practice course of 4 students. They are Alex, Bella, Chris, and Dana. Okay. The first question says, by what percentage did Alex's score increase from test 1 to test 3? So in test 1, Alex scored 540, and in test 3, sorry, he scored 600. So the increase from test 1 to test 3. Okay, the increase here is 600 minus 540, that is 60. So the increase is increase all over original amount times 100 over 1. So this is 540 multiplied by 100 over 1. And by the time you solve this becomes 6,000 divided by 540. So this will give us 11.11% using calculator. Then for question 2, it says who had the highest percentage increase between tests 1 and 3. Okay, in this case, we need to find the percentage increase for all their scores. Then we compare the values. Then this will allow us to get the person with the highest test score increase. So let's start with Alex. So we already calculated for Alex, which is the first one. So Alex is 11.11%. Then for Bella, the increase is 60. So we'll do 60 over 500. 60 over 500 times 100 over 1. This we cancel this. 60 divided by 5 is 12%. Okay. Then for Chris, this is 620, 650. The increase is 650 minus 620. That is 30 divided by 620 times 100 over 1. By the time we simplify this, we get 4.84%, right? Then for Dana, the increase is this is 640, this is 580. So the increase also is 60. So that will be 60 divided by 580. 60 divided by 580 times 100 over 1. By the time we simplify using calculator, we'll get 10.34%. Okay, looking at this, it is clear that Bella has the highest percentage increase between test 1 and 3. So our answer here is Bella. All right. Now for the third question, it says, what is the average percentage increase of all students from test 1 to test 3? Okay, this one is very simple. All we just need to do here is get the percentage increase, which we already calculated in the second question, then divide by 4. That is the sum of all the percentages divided by 4. So this is 11.11 plus 12 plus 4.84 plus 10.34. Then we'll divide this by 4 because there are 4 students here. So divide by 4. By the time you calculate this and divide by 4, this will give us 9.57%. Yeah, 9.57%. Then for the fourth question, it says Bella's score rose from 500 to 560, and what percentage of Chris's increase does Bella's increase represent? Okay, all right, let's look at Bella's increase. Okay, I'll start gradually. Bella's increase is 560 minus 500 is 60. Then Chris's increase, I think that would also help here. Chris's increase is let's go back to the table. Chris's increase is 30. Yeah, 650 minus 20, because all we are doing is between test 1 and 3. 650 minus 620 is 30. Okay, it's 30. Now the question is what percentage of Chris's increase does Bella's increase represent? Writing this mathematically, we'll say X percent, because we don't really know the percentage now that says what, so we'll call it X. So we'll now say X percent of Chris's increase is equal to Bella's increase. So say X percent of 30 is equal to 60, right? So you know X percent is like X over 100, right? So now I have X over 100 times 30 is equal to 60. By the time we cross multiply and simplify, this will give us 30x is equal to 6,000. Then 6,000 divided by 30, that will give us 200%. So the answer here is 200%. Then for number 5, it says if the goal for each student was a 10% increase by test 3, who met or exceeded this target? Okay, we had already calculated the percentage increase in their various test score earlier. So all we just need to do is to lift those values and bring them back here. So we have Alex. Alex is 11.11%. Bella is 12%. Chris is 4.84%, and Dana is 10.34%. Yeah, 11.11%, 12%, 4.84%, and 10.34%. Yeah, so if the goal for each student was a 10% increase by test 3, who met or exceeded this target? So Alex met the target. In fact, he exceeded the target. Bella also met and exceeded the target, and Dana also met and exceeded the target. So the only person who did not meet the target or expectation is Chris, right? So Alex, Bella, and Dana met or exceeded the goal. All right, okay, this is it. Thank you for watching this video to this moment. It's my pleasure having you. Thank you and goodbye.